Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sophia Camarda if you're new, and today we're gonna be doing what is on my iPhone for February. So this is kind of gonna be like a Valentine's Day theme, and I'm so excited, so let's just get into it. If you're new here, I have the Black 16 Pro Max, and to begin, I do have a case on it, obviously. This is the Berga Mirror Elite case. I actually just did a haul with a bunch of their cases recently, so if you want to go watch that, check it out here. This is actually in the vintage glamour pattern, and this is just so cute. I really love this case, and it's so good for February and the Valentine's Day vibes. So we're going for a pink aesthetic if you guys haven't already been able to tell. Now let's get into the phone. So here is what my home screen looks like, and I didn't go too crazy with the custom widgets or anything like that. So at the top, I just have the weather along with the time and the date, and the date actually comes from iscreen, which you can check out how I did that here. And then next to it, I have my activity because I have been really into my fitness recently and just making sure that I get enough steps throughout the day. And then you could see my car charge, which is always nice to know. And then at the bottom, you can see I have a live activity, and this is also from iscreen. So I just made it say Happy Valentine's Day, and I put this little bow icon on it, and I made the background of it the exact same color as my wallpaper. You guys could have already guessed this. My wallpaper is from SAGELLE.com. That is my website where I make downloads for your iPhone and planners and things like that. Obviously, go check it out. I'm actually using the new blush theme pack, so yes, we do have a new theme pack, and I'm so excited. I really want to start making like more colorful themed theme packs so that if you have a certain aesthetic in mind, you can just go find the color or vibe you want and download it. This month's vibe is going to be pink, which is very fitting. And then going into the phone, this is my home screen, and as you can see, it is such a cute pink aesthetic. Like, I seriously worked so hard to make this look like as girly as possible, and I really love cherry blossoms, so I was very inspired by that. I just find them to be like really peaceful and beautiful, so that is the inspiration behind the wallpapers. This is more of like the cherry blossoms floating in the wind, and I just think it looks really cute. As you can see, my layout has not changed much, but we will go through it quickly. I do have a stack of widgets on the top left, and what's cute is we are, as I'm recording this, 444 days away from our wedding, which is very cute, very aligned. And then next to that, I have a widget of the February calendar. Every month I make free calendar wallpapers, so this is the February one, and I do have it on my iMac back here, which we just love the matching aesthetic. So the app icons I actually made custom. They are shortcuts. If you don't know how to do that, I'll put a very quick tutorial here. To make a shortcut, go to the Shortcuts app, press the plus button in the top right, go down to Open App, and then click where it says App, and then select the app that you want to make a shortcut for. Press the arrow down button and click Add to Home Screen. Hit where it has the Photos icon, and then do Choose Photo. From here, you'll pick the corresponding app icon, and then you can actually hit where the label is under the app and type in what you want it to be, or you can skip this part if you don't want labels under your app icons. Then just go ahead and hit Add, and then it'll add to your home screen, and you are all set. So basically, I just took all of the app icons and made little shortcuts, and I have the phone, my health, wallet, and notes, and then I have Discord. Go ahead and join iBaddie if you haven't already. I have Google Home, which might be a new addition. I can't remember from last time, but we did move, so I am in a house now, and we have Google thermostats, and not gonna lie, they're like pretty fancy, but they do require the Google Home app, so that's how I access them. Then I have the Photos app and then the map. Then on the bottom, I have my Spotify widget, so every month I do make a playlist, and I've actually been loving that vibe. I've been doing it since like the end of 2023, and it's just so cool to look back on every month and see like what you were listening to, and it really is like an archive of your life when you look back on it. We are on February of 2025, and I'm feeling very optimistic for this month. Next to that, I have a widget that says Enjoy the Now. That is actually my resolution for this year. I just want to enjoy. Like, I have been grinding and going through a lot of like life changes, and all I want to do this year is like vibe. Like, I just want to enjoy the year. I want to work. I just want to be settled in the house. Like, I literally just want to exist and be as zen and happy as possible. That is my resolution for this year. I just thought it would be a good reminder there. So in the theme pack, I was kind of inspired by that, and I started putting like different little like cute short affirmations in the widgets. Then on the bottom, this will never change, I have messages, Gmail, Safari, and YouTube. Then on the second page, I do have a slightly different layout. I put all of my most used social media apps on the left. I feel like they're just the easiest to click, honestly. We have TikTok, which I have been posting more on TikTok, so definitely go check me out on there. We have Instagram, Threads. I'm not gonna lie, Threads is growing on me. I kind of doubted it, but I'm starting to like it. It low-key gives like GTA social media app, and it's really good for creators. Like if you do any kind of like social media content, it has some good tips on there. Then we have X. I feel like that app is dead. Reddit, Patreon, Shopify for my website, and of course the YouTube studio, CEO vibes, of course. And then I just have a couple more widgets. So I have the clock as well as another affirmation that says stay positive, which kind of goes with the enjoy vibes, you know? And then I have a medium-sized widget, and this one has little like cherry blossoms. This is also in the theme pack. The pink and the white is doing something for me. And then on the third page, I have my sales for my website, which I'm not gonna show you. Like, don't even try to look. And then I have my batteries, and I just like that. It's kind of like a little back-end dashboard. So that's the vibe right now. It's not that aesthetically pleasing, but it is pretty useful. So that's my third page. So as you guys can see, I don't have the app icons under my apps anymore. So I basically turned that off. I'll show you how to do it here. Just hold down on your home screen and then do edit and then do customize, and then you can choose small or large for your app icons. Honestly, I was against the large for a while just because it's like, it's kind of giving toy phone a little bit, but I do like it because it gets rid of the labels under the icons, and I just think it looks really good. So it's grown on me a lot, and I do recommend that you guys do that too. For all of my widgets, I do use Widgetsmith right now. I have seen people use other widget apps too, but I just really like Widgetsmith and it does the job, so I haven't really felt the need to try anything else. But if you guys have any other suggestions, like I've seen people talk about like color widgets is a good one, and they have really good like customizable widgets. I do want to give a couple shout outs to some apps that I've been liking recently. One app that I've been really loving is called Yuka. You basically scan your beauty products or your food products, and it gives it a score of like how healthy it is for you, and it tells you what ingredients could be in there that are bad for you. As a wellness girly, I really like this app. I just got it like a week ago. I'm in the grocery store scanning the food. There are a couple things that have shocked me. Like I have stopped drinking Oatly oat milk. Like I make my own almond milk at home now. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, I am like a food wellness girly on there. Like I barely even give tech girl. So like if you're into wellness and stuff, follow me on there because that's like a whole other side. The next app I want to shout out is called Offline Games. It basically has games for you that you don't need Wi-Fi for. Say you're like on a plane or just in a place where you don't have much service. These games are so good. Specifically the fruit game. Like if you know me in real life, like this fruit game has me in a chokehold. Like it is just so much fun. And I know it's like a spin-off of the Suica game, but it's just such a good app because sometimes like you're going on a long trip and you don't have anything on your phone or anything to like entertain you. You can't use your phone. The games are good. Like I really like the games. And they also have an app that's like for 2-player. That one is good too. So I really like that one a lot. This app called Resimi is really good. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like I haven't paid for it because I am being cheap, but it is such a good concept because it basically takes all the recipes that you found from online, like from Instagram, Pinterest, like Google, and you can import all of them into that one app. I did play around a little bit with it and it's actually really good. Like it is such a good concept, but I just don't feel like paying for it. But I do want to give a shout out to that app. So that was my layout. I hope you guys liked it. I have been loving switching up my phone every month. Like honestly, it's becoming a personality trait. And I don't just do my phone. Like I do my computer, I do my iPads. Like it is a lifestyle, okay? I love this lifestyle. Like I love it here. But anyway, let me know, what does your home screen look like? If you aren't in the Discord, definitely go ahead and join it. I'm going to be doing another video about people's home screens and reacting to them for for February / Valentine's Day. So if you want a chance to be in that video, make sure you join the Discord and submit your home screen in the home screen submissions channel. And that should be all for today. As always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! That was so lame. Okay, bye.